What's up, guys? JD Nells here, and unfortunately old man is not here right now. He has optometrist appointment, so he's gonna be back later on. But while he's away, he left me this little project thing to fix up for him, just to clean a few things up, so the job is not waiting until he's not here. Anyway, so this is kind of his ingenuity, and this is a dual piston brake caliper press tool. I know it's mouthful, and it's actually custom made. It's actually pretty simple, pretty easy to make too, and these things can range from 30 to like 60-ish dollars US. This is heavy duty, so this is gonna last you forever because there are only like a couple moving parts, literally, and that's it. Actually, 3 of them. These things move, and then this slides. So 3 moving parts, right? So as you can tell, it's just a thick piece of metal in the bottom. He drilled or cut out a hole here, got a little bit of welding right here, and this is nut, this is threaded rod, this is another nut, but it has this little weird looking head thing, so it's nothing than just a nut reversed. Another nut, and then this sliding thing. Let's see if I can zoom in. Alright, so you can tell right here, this sliding thing. I'm not sure what it is. It's a square piece, and there's just 2 indents that he cut out, so it slides and it stays in place. And then usually, or not usually, but you can adjust. Alright, so it's in, it's not a problem. And then what do you do? Here's 18 mil back. Hold on before we take some silicone lubricant. Alright, so now the plate is all the way back. Now you can actually and that's it. Do this thing. That's it. Come on, one-handed. There you go, it's out. Nice and done, smooth, easy. Like I said, these are 2 threaded rods. There's a 2, 4, 5 nuts, and then there's this square piece that's also threaded inside because it moves, right? But it has this little shoulder thing on each side, so that allows it to stay in place. And then you can tell this has been welded here. Cheap, easy to make. Why spend money when you can make your own immigrant tools?